Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. How old do you have to be to use Rocket Money? Now, before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about why Rocket Money is such a valuable tool. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, save money, and build your credit. It's like having your own personal financial advisor right in your pocket. So, if you're looking to get your finances in order, Rocket Money is a great option. But how old do you have to be to use it? The answer is, it depends. Rocket Money has two different tiers of service, Rocket Money Basic and Rocket Money Premium. Rocket Money Basic is free to use for anyone. However, there are some limitations to the free version. For example, you can only track up to 10 bank accounts and you can't see your credit score. Rocket Money Premium, on the other hand, is a paid subscription that gives you access to all of the features of the app, including unlimited bank account tracking, credit score monitoring, and more. So, if you're looking for the full Rocket Money experience, you'll need to be at least 18 years old to sign up for a premium subscription. However, even if you're not 18, you can still use Rocket Money Basic. This is a great option for teens and young adults who are just starting to learn about personal finance. In addition to the age requirements, there are a few other things you need to know about using Rocket Money. First, you need to have a bank account. Rocket Money connects to your bank account to track your spending. Second, you need to have a valid email address. This is how Rocket Money will communicate with you about your account. Once you've met the requirements, you can sign up for Rocket Money and start using it to manage your finances. So, there you have it. The answer to the question how old do you have to be to use Rocket Money is, it depends. If you're looking for the full Rocket Money experience, you'll need to be at least 18 years old. However, you can still use Rocket Money Basic if you're younger than 18. I hope this information helps. And if you have any other questions about Rocket Money, be sure to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.